In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use clutch.co to find SaaS and micro SaaS ideas. So if you don't know Clutch, I found it recently, but it's basically a database of agencies. So these agencies can spawn from all the way from app development all the way to design, marketing, IT, business, advertising. So it's a bunch of agencies that are a gold mine for ideas. So let me show you how it works. So basically just go to clutch.co, and what you want to do is just go to any category that you're interested in, or basically any category. So let's say I'm really interested in call centers, right? So you click on call centers, and what it will bring up is a list of agencies. What you'll see is first the price, right? So this is the minimum price that these agencies charge plus where they're located. So this one's $1,000 per project and in Las Vegas, and this is like the hourly rate, and you can filter it based on like hourly rate, industry reviews, and all this other stuff. But the key part is, let's say we scroll through all the list and we just pick one, right? Let's view this one. So Smith.ai, so they're a 24/7 customer engagement platform that specializes in lead capture and client service. So they do all this stuff, and this is the important part, right? So we screen potential clients based on your criteria, schedule appointments on your calendar, take payments, and make sales outreach calls to your new prospects generated by your website. So this is what they do. What can you use with this information? So you can turn this service into a AI app, AI SaaS, or whatever. So what your SaaS would do is pretty much what these guys do, but it's all automated with code and AI. So that's the opportunity. Basically, you're trying to figure out what these agencies do and then convert that into a software. And the great thing is, this is already validated. You can see all the reviews. So you can see what people like about what they do, and then you can even see like what they hate. So just scroll through and see not the 5 stars, but like you just try to find the 4 stars, the 1 stars, and whatnot. And I'll just read one for example. So this one, they had a quick customer service and always available to the client, systemized workflow. So you just read through and see what people like and just bring that over to your software and see what people hate and fix that in your software. So that's the general idea. And I want to give one example of how this was successful. If you guys know about MailChimp, I think exited into it for over $1 billion. And not a lot of people know this, but they started out as a web design agency, and they were able to figure out that email was such a big pain point that they turned that into a software. So that's one of the biggest benefits of having an agency, is that you're very attuned, or you're very aware of all the problems in a specific niche. So that's part of the hack of product market fit, where if you have an agency, you can see problems that your clients have and then turn that into a solution. But in this case, even if we don't have an agency, we can use the knowledge of what agencies are doing and all their pain points and all the reviews to create a software that we can sell. So that's the general idea. I'm gonna do one more example. Let's say I don't call centers and I want to create a SaaS in the video production space. So I don't know anything about this niche, but I can use clutch.co to figure it out. So I scroll through and let's see what this agency does, right? Snowy Peak Firms. We tell stories, your stories. Snowy Peak Firms is the premier Denver video production. So they're based in Denver. And let's read more. When it comes to video production, we take a strategic approach. We work with our clients to maximize their ROI by providing creative and strategic direction for how to best use their video. So again, this is like key because it indicates what clients care about. So clients care about ROI on the videos, right? So it's not just creating nice looking videos, it's creating videos that have an ROI on the actual business, right? So let's keep reading. Producing great videos only part of the equation. Building videos with a larger marketing campaign to drive customer engagement is our goal. So this is probably another thing where clients care about how engaged their customers are. We want the video to work for you, otherwise what's the point? They have all this. And you can just also read the reviews of what you should create in your software, especially stuff that people will actually buy. So here, all right, so we're reading the reviews and you can see that they're the go-to partner for commercial video production. So this is one niche that you can target. Let's say you create like an AI SaaS that creates videos that are only targeted for commercial videos. So that's one idea. So they're creating 4 commercials that are 15 to 30 seconds long. So instead of just creating these minute-long videos, maybe your SaaS creates only 30-second videos. Some short clips are summarized versions of the long one. So you have the software that can create hour-long videos, but it also creates these really short clips that people can run as ads or even run on TikTok, Instagram, whatnot. That's another idea. In addition, they provide various music options for us to explore each commercial they make. So again, what do people care about? So they want unique music, right? So there are a bunch of AI music models that can create unique music, sound effects, or whatever that you can have unique per each client. So let's say the client is in the fishing niche, right? So maybe your model creates these really unique sound effects or background music that is particular for that fishing client. All the commercials are different because they ensure that each aspect is appropriate and matches the excitement and enthusiasm that we want to convey. Essentially, what you want to do is you want to read through the reviews and see what people care about. And not every review will be the same, and probably like for some of the reviews, you'll find stuff that a lot of people care about that isn't as resonated. So basically, you're just trying to pattern match to see what's coming up a lot, so that you can focus on it in your marketing and in your product. And then one way that you can take this a step further is, so let's say you found a niche, you found like what people care about and what your feature should be. Like, how do I know how big this market is, or how much should I price my thing? One way you can do is you can go to explodinginsights.com. I'm currently building this, but what you can do is, let's say for the same thing, like video production, right? So you can search up video production, and what this will bring up is a list or a database of all the services, and you can see how much they're charging plus how much they made. So this is for the niche of video production, right? So there's a nice little summary of what are the biggest problems in the space plus all the market opportunities. So you can read that, and then also you can see, okay, so this one, do professional video editing for your business. It's made over $200,000. That's great. And you scroll through this person here, they edit your videos professionally, modern, and fast. They charge $45. Okay, maybe we want to charge a little bit more. So we sort it by high price, and you can see that the high price is $2,000. Okay, so instead of just pricing it at $45, maybe I charge a little bit more, and I offer video editing, I offer unique music. You're like taking what people care about, and you're like building features and building like a product that specifically fixes and solves the client's pain point. And by doing so, you can charge a lot more. So that's the entire thing. And the great thing about Clutch is that there's so many different niches, right? So there's coding, advertising, IT, marketing. If you spent like an hour on this, just finding problems and then crafting a product and then reaching out to those people and validating it. So that's it. Let me know if you guys thought this was useful. Otherwise, I will see you guys in another video. I have a bunch of other videos in other niches. I find ideas on Reddit, LinkedIn, TikTok. Those are on my channel, so check those out if you guys are interested. Otherwise, see you.